Mm. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a recipe about the Parasite's Jjapaguri.
저기 아줌마, 짜파구리 할 줄 아시죠? 냉장고에 한우 체크살.
조사는 제품과 조리법 책자를 극장에 뿌리고 11개 언어로 조리 영상을 만드는 등
So last week I watched the movie. If you haven't watched it, you can actually rent it out on, I think I rented it out on Amazon. And it's a really good movie. And it garnered a lot of awards at the Oscars. But what really got my eye is when the rich lady asked the helper to make her the Jjapaguri. And when she was eating it, she was eating a big bowl of it and she was devouring it. It looks so good. So I'm going to recreate the recipe, but I'm going to do a different type of cooking, the way I cook my pancit canton, which is in a pan, not really like boiling the noodles, and you'll see it on my video. And to know how I made this delicious recipe, just keep on watching. And now the taste test. It looks really yummy. I think nagpa-add din yung kimchi. But overall, it looks really yummy. I didn't put salt to steak because my cousin said it was a tad bit salty for his taste. So we're just gonna try it as is with just pepper. And I've got... Ta-da! I learned about soju when I started watching What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. I I love that. I love that Korean TV show. Sobrang ganda niya. And later I'm going to start Crash Landing on You. And a lot of my friends are watching it. And I think ending na niya last time. So, all of the episodes are there. So, I'm gonna binge watch. But, let's try this first. I'm so excited. Is this better than our Filipino Lucky Me Pancit Canton? Or should we start putting steak on our Lucky Me Pancit Canton? Let's see. Actually, I didn't put a lot of the Neoguri powder. Maybe I should put everything na here. Hold on. Yeah, I don't find it too spicy. Market lang siya. Pero not too spicy. No, here, eto na. I think I have to mix it really well. Just mix it really well. Ito na yung kita ko na yung redness ng Neoguri. Yummy! It's not that bad. Don't be scared to put the whole packet of Neoguri. Masarap siya. Alam mo, masarap sa kanya is yung mismong noodles. Unlike our pancit canton, yung noodles nito medyo chewy. Hot. I still like the taste of pancit canton though. Lucky me pa rin ako. Pero, parang ang sarap gawin na ito yung noodles, tapos pancit canton yung seasoning. It'll be good. Ano siya, parang salty, na spicy. Let's have some soju. Cheers! That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you recreate it at home. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!